How to track order on Pandabuy. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are looking to buy something on Pandabuy, then you need to know how to track your order. So if you are new to Pandabuy or you're just getting your products as soon as possible, here is a perfect guide. First of all, open your Pandabuy application. After that, log in into your account. Then tap on the account tab which is on the right side, and then from the top corner click on order. Now you can see all of your orders, the payments pending tab, confirm pending tab, ordering tab, and return and exchange tab. Now you can just click on all and click on the order that you want to track. There you will see a separate section or column written as status, whereby all of your orders status and tracking can be done. So this is how easily you can track your order and get updated on Pandabuy. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.